No.
So we find the surface area of this pentagonal pyramid by applying the formula for all pyramids, which is, that was supposed to say surface area. So surface area equals the area of one base plus half of the perimeter times the slant height. Okay, so our base in this case is going to be a pentagon, which is with a side length of 10. So to find the base area, we're going to use this special formula for finding the area of any regular polygon. Okay, you may or may not be familiar with this formula, but we solve it by substituting in some other amazing things. So this has 5 sides. Every side is 10. 4 times the tangent of 36 for a pentagon. So that comes from our central angle of a pentagon is 360 divided by 5. Well, we divide that one in half and we get a trig angle of 36 degrees. So that's 360 divided by 10, 2 times the number of sides. So when I put this in my calculator, I get a base area of 172.048, or 0.05 if you're so inclined. Okay, now I'll come back up here. Perimeter, well, that's pretty easy. Perimeter is simply the distance all the way around my pentagon. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Perimeter is 10 times 5, which is 50. So now all I have to do is figure out what my slant height is. Now slant height goes up the side of my triangle. So this is my slant height. Right up the side of your triangle. Okay, which we don't know, and which we're going to have to calculate. So we're going to make this nice right triangle formed with the center and with the height of your pyramid. So let's come over here for a second. This is L going up the face of your triangle. This is 9, the height. And this we don't know yet. This is the apothem of your base. The apothem is the line that goes from the center perpendicular to the side. So we're going to have to calculate that first, unfortunately. So let's draw that triangle again, where this is the apothem. This is half of the side length. So if my entire side of my pentagon, now I'm talking about the pentagon, this whole pentagon is 10, so this much right here is 5. Oops, let's go back over here. And I still have an angle of 36. So yes, this is involved finding the slant height for this problem. So we have a tangent relationship. The tan of 36 equals the opposite over the adjacent side. So the apothem is found by dividing 5 by the tangent of 36, which is 6.88. So that is what we can put right here in our triangle, 6.88. So one more time, now we have to use our buddy Pythagoras. 9 squared plus 6.88 squared equals L squared. When we do all this nice calculations, sorry, we get a slant height of 11.33 meters. Okay, so yes, there's a lot to do for this problem. Slant height was 11.33. But now that I have all my information, base area, base perimeter, and slant height, the surface area is not going to be hard to calculate at all. So that's, let's see, 172.05 plus half of 50, the perimeter, times my slant height of 11.33. I'm going to add all this together in my calculator. I get 455.30 square meters as the surface area of that pentagon. So a very, very involved problem where you have to know lots of stuff.
That was